Hi there, I'm Corporal Lee Medved with the Pueblo Police Department. I've been on the department for a little bit over 13 years now. I'm assigned as a patrol officer to the north side on the afternoons. I also serve as a SWAT officer, and I'm also assigned to the drone unit. Starting from 2 drones back in 2018, we've upgraded and we're up to 5 drones right now of various sizes and various capabilities. This particular unit is a DJI Matrice 210. This unit is capable of flying up to 30 minutes of flight time, restricted to 400 feet above ground level by FAA regulations. It's capable of not only a regular camera, but also has FLIR technology. And FLIR is infrared technology that allows us to see heat variations on the ground, and it's helpful when we're looking for individuals that may be out in the prairie, lost, or bank robbery suspect, or anybody that's in harm's way that we need to look for that we can't see with our naked eye. And it's very vital to police work in this day and age. Stay tuned next week for the second half of our story.